Yes, good morning everyone. My name is DEEPAK, Assistant Professor at JAYOTI VIDHYAPEETH University. And in today's class, we'll see Income Tax Authority and powers under Income Tax Act. So, who are the Income Tax Authority and what are their powers? So, Government of India imposed Income Tax Act in the year 1961. Two categories are prescribed. One is direct tax and second is indirect tax. So direct tax, income tax of the tax taken of the government or individual on his earnings in income tax. Right. The government has set up the various authorities for lawful execution of Income Tax Act and to oversee the righteous functioning of the Income Tax Department. The various income tax authorities for the purposeful existence of the Act are CBDT of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, which has been constituted under the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963, Director General of Income Tax, Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, Director and Commissioner of Income Tax, Additional Directors and International Commissioner of Income Tax, Joint Directors and Joint Commissioner of Income Tax, then Deputy Directors and Deputy Commissioners of Income Tax, and Assistant Directors and Assistant Commissioners of Income Tax Officers, and Income Tax Inspectors. So these are the persons who are authority, who is having authority. So what are these? Quickly remind me. Income tax officers, income tax inspectors, assistant directors and assistant commissioner of income tax, deputy directors and deputy commissioner of income tax, joint directors and joint commissioner of income tax, additional directors and additional commissioner of income tax, directors and commissioner of income tax, chief commissioner of income tax, director general of income tax, CVDT of Central Board of Direct Tax, which has been constituted under the Board of Revenue Act 1963. So it is a joint role of all these authorities that the taxpayer is abide by the rule mentioned in the beginning of every financial year and the pay their tax accordingly. The supreme body with reference to the direct tax setup in India is the Central Board of Directors, that is called CBDT. The board comprises of leading chairperson, a body of 6 members. So what is CBDT? Central Board of Directors of India. Okay. So consolidated under the Department of Revenue, the Ministry of Finance, the CBDT hold the highest position on the direct tax world in the country. It pays down the policies and plannings for all direct tax related matters in India with the help of Income Tax Department. It makes sure that direct tax are properly administered on the workforce of the country. The chairperson, along with the 6 members of the body of the CBDT, are all ex-official special character secretaries in the government and function as the division of the ministry and the deals with levy and collection of all direct taxes in India. Appointment of CBDT members and the chairpersons, how they appoint CBDT members and chairperson members. A person who desires to work with the CBDT board as a chairperson or the body needs to be clear IRS, that is what? Indian Revenue Services. Person who wants to be a CDT officer has to clear Indian Revenue Services examination. The central government has full right to decide uh, who the members shall be. The official memorandum of the government states the following requirements for the post of members of the CVDT. Number one, officer shall be an office holder in the central government with a minimum of 1 year regular service and level of 15. Officers shall have minimum 15 years of experience in administration and running direct administration in the central government along with 10 years of experience in field of CVDT. And the next thing, high professional merit and excellence. The next, high impeccable reputation of integrity. The next, maximum age limit of 56, although exemption provided in the case of adoption. The chairperson and the person shall have at least 1 year of residential service on the date of occurrence of the vacancy. So all the posts of the income tax authorities are filled by the central government as per the income tax ordinance. The government has to decide as to who is fit, has the proper professional skills and experience to hand profit. Uh, Now, these were the powers and these were the authorities who who are liable and who can check your income tax. And I've told you what are these authorities and how they get appointed by the central government. Okay, I hope you understood the session. If you have any type of doubt, then you can ask me. What questions, what type of question can come in examination? This in this chapter you can see incomes which are not part of total income, incomes which are exempt from agriculture income, the incomes which are uh, which are exempt in institutions for charitable trust. These questions they can ask in exams, and they can ask what is the residential status, and they can ask what are the income tax authorities, and they can ask one more question: how uh, central government appoint these authorities. Okay, so you should learn all the provisions of this act, and you should know all the provisions and conditions. And if you have any type of doubt, you can ask me in comment box. And if you like the video, then share with your friends. And if you are having any type of doubts, you can ask me here in comment section, and I'll definitely clarify your all doubts. So thank you very much. Or this is COVID time, so be safe, stay safe, be in home, study from home, and if you are having my number, if you find any type of doubt, anytime you can call me, and I will always be there for help. And please write your suggestions also so that I can make better videos for you for your home studies. Okay, thank you very much. And if uh, yeah, if you have any type of doubts in previous sessions also, so we can fix one meeting, or I want to do some practical questions with you. So like what practical questions they can ask in exams. The person who is living in India uh, came back in India for 45 days in previous year, and in last 5 years he came in India for uh, 180 days. So he will be a resident, ordinary resident, non-ordinary resident, or resident, non-ordinary resident, or non-resident. So this type of questions they can ask in the exam, and this video and what other question they can ask you in income tax incomes which are not part of total income. This is very important topic. Again and again I am telling you, in next sessions what will we study? We'll study the heads of incomes, which are five heads I have already told you. Again I am telling you, number one, income from house property, income from salary, income from profit gain from business profession, income from other sources, and income from capital gain. So these all incomes which you are getting, uh, you have to write in total income, and which incomes are tax free. This we have seen in section 10. Incomes which are exempt, I have told you, like agriculture income, dividend income, all these things I have already told you. Then comes deductions, etc to ETU deductions. So what is ETC deduction? I have already told you, like life insurance policy and education fees and the statutory premium in national pension system and pensions, and all these things will come in ETC deductions. So we will deduct deduction from 80C to 82 from the total income, and this later whatever will remain, that we have to give tax on this asset, and this will call net taxable value, and we have to pay tax on this amount. Okay, so I hope you understood this session. If you have any type of doubt, you can ask me here, or we can fix one meeting, and in that meeting, we'll do practical questions. Okay, thank you very much. Be happy, smile, always smile, wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and follow all the rules of the state government in this pandemic, and be safe. Thank you very much.